For some days now, the market has been exciting. A lot of coins have been pumping. If I just put this on weekly chart, you can see how the coin pumps. This makes pumps to over 1,500%. You can see it right there from $1 to 17, $18. And lots of people have been excited about the market. You can see a lot of growth in the market. And why people are happy that their coins are doing well in the market, a lot of people are also like, oh, how do I start investing? When do I start actually investing in these coins? I don't know the kind of coin to buy. I don't know what to do. Right now I'm confused, but I want to make money from this crypto space. So what do I do? Well, if you're that kind of person and you're thinking like that, good news for you, because in this video I want to just show you good coins that you can actually put your money in right now and expect good return in this crypto space, especially in this bull run season. Now, these coins I'm about to share with you, they can do anywhere from 10x all the way to 200 or even more x for you. Yes, they have that potential to do that. All you just need to do is to look through them, get them in your portfolio, and then expect the return for this bull run season. All right, before I go ahead to share this coin with you, you're welcome to Blockchainplus. This is Blockchainplus. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Also, turn on your bell notification icon so that when I drop this kind of videos, you will be the first to get notified and watch them. And then drop a like in this video if you love content like this, and if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. And if you're not in our community, just do well to find yourself in the Blockchainplus community, this one right here. And then if you want to take a step further to join our classroom, you can join our classroom by paying the mentorship fee. You have access to the DeFi group where we trade digital coins, have access to our VIP signal group where we trade and do futures trading, and then you have access to all the trade teaching materials, all the classes in the Blockchainplus Academy. So you have access to all of that by when you join the academy. And for right now, the academy fee is at 30 naira or at 30,000 naira or $20. So with 30,000 naira or $20, you have access to all of that, and also you have access to my handpicked portfolio for this bull run, right? So that is all you have access to. Now, if you've joined us, if you've liked the video, let's just dive into the videos of today. So I'm going to go to CoinMarketCap and start sharing this altcoins or these coins with you. Now, before I go ahead again to share this coin, just a quick disclaimer: in crypto space there are no guarantees. Past result does not guarantee future gains, so you understand that everything I say here is just for educational and informational purpose only. It's not in any way a financial advice to you. So whenever you want to invest in crypto, you should do well to make your own research, do your own research on these coins before buying, because crypto is a very high volatile space. Everything here has the possibility to give you great reward. They also have the possibility to give you $0 in return. So with all of that said, let's now go into the first coin on my list. So let's look at Apple together. You can see Apple there. So let me just open in this first one. Now, if you look at Apple right there, you can see that right now the price of Apple is at 0.000186, which is very low, and compared to the previous high of this is very low. So if you move from here to this high already, it has done a lot of X for you, right? It has done close to 10x already for you, which is 1000%. Now, if you come down to the statistics of Apple, you can see right now that this is a low cap coin at 62 million market cap, and this is a good meme coin that has a strong community. We are also going to look at the community together, and if you look at the total supply right here, total supply is sitting at 337 billion, which is also very good. It does not have a lot of supply, although the coin has shot up before from the previous all-time low to where it is now. It has done a lot of X before, but right now you can see that it has a lot of room to still grow to the upside. Now let's come down to look at the community together. You can see with the community we already have over 81,000 people who have voted for this community. They have lots of community, and if you look at the holders right here, you can see 33,000 people holding this coin, which means they have lots of people in their community and they have a very long, strong and active community. You can also check them out on Twitter to see how strong and active their community is. And if you look at the top 10 holders, it's just around 18%, which is a very good one. Right, so let's look at another thing on the market cap, on the statistics. Now if you look at the market cap and the fully diluted market cap, there are no much difference. So this means that a lot of people are not coming here to dump this coin on you. And finally, if you look at the about us section and you go to their Twitter, so let's just check the Twitter so that we'll see what they have in their Twitter. You can see they have over 48,000 followers on their Twitter, and their Twitter handle is very active. You can see right here 5 hours ago, you can see 9 hours ago, you can see that the community is very, very strong and they're also very active. So Apple is a good project. If you're looking for a good project that can give you good return, maybe anywhere from 10x to 20x, then Apple is that kind of project. Now moving away from Apple, the next one on my list right here is a very new coin us as well. This one is Giga Chadet. Okay, so let's look at Giga Chadet together. So this is actually Giga Chad, right? But that is not the one I'm talking about. So the one I'm talking about is Giga Chadet, which is the female version of Giga. So let's go and look for it on Dex Screener. So you can see right here on Dex Screener, I just pasted the contract address right there. So if you want the contract address, just comment in the comment section. I'm going to drop it for you in the comment section. So this is the female version of the Giga Chart. Right now, this you can see right here, this is a very micro market cap at 200k. Is a micro market cap. You can see right there, you can see the price right there. So this also has a very strong potential to give you over 10 to 20x in return. Now if you see this, like I said, this is a new pair. It's just 7 months old, though it has not really done well. If you look at the chart, if you notice, if you look at the chart right here, let me just go to the chart. All right, so this is the chart. You can see when it was launched, the coin ran all the way to, let's see the market cap that it went to. You can see it went all the way to close to 1.6 million market cap. Right now it is down to 200k market cap, close to the low, right, which is right here. Now this has the potential to still go above 2 million market cap from where it is right now. So if it goes to 2 million market cap, it means you've made at least 10x from this project. Now if it goes to 4 million market cap or even up to 5 million market cap, you've made 20 or 25x from this project. So this is a good project and you can invest your money in and expect a good return in the end. Now the next one on my list is Labubu. So Labubu is another good project you can invest in. In fact, I love calling this amazing Labubu. Now the reason I call it amazing Labubu is because this coin made me a lot of money in this period, especially when I traded it in future. It made me a lot of money. In fact, one of my students in the academy, because I dropped it in a VIP group, when the thing gave us money, the lady just came and shouted, "What an amazing Labubu!" And since that day, I started calling it amazing Labubu because we made so much money from this project and it still has a lot of room for those who want to invest in it. You can see from the all-time high, we are down already from the all-time high, and if you buy from here and it goes back to this all-time high, of course you've already made about 10x from this project, right? You have made over 10x already from this project. And Labubu is a project that has a strong community. It also has a mascot. It has a product that if it's even being sold in the market, which is the Labubu doll, right? So a lot of people are buying it. Of course, when the bull run kicks in proper, you're going to see the euphoria. You're going to see the 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 flock in of people who want to associate with this kind of project, not just because of the fact that it's a meme coin, but because of the fact that people can actually buy, people can relate with it because people can buy the doll in the market. In fact, the doll is very, very expensive. Now also, people can also invest in it as an NFT. So all of this just makes it to make sense as a project that you can invest in. And now if you look at it right here, if you see the market cap is very low at 7 million. And if you look at the total supply at 997 million, this coin has a potential to actually do $1. And if it goes to $1 from where it is right now, that is a whole lot of money for you. So if the marketing of this project is right and everything is done right, this coin can get to $1. And if it goes to $1, it means you've made let's say over 1000, over 100x. Yeah, from where it is right now, if it goes to $1, you've made over 100x from this project. So let's look at the community together. You can see right here, you can see the vote of Labubu is at 2000 plus, and you can see the sentiment already is showing that a lot of people are bullish about it. Now if you also come here, you will notice that this is a new project that just launched. Okay, let's see. So this project just launched. You can see here, this is 2024, October 2024. So this is a new project and has really made a lot of wave when it came in, and it's still making wave right now. Now if you want to invest in this kind of project, you should also go ahead to check their community, check their Telegram, and check everything, and then you see for yourself that this is a good project that you can invest in. I don't want to go ahead checking everything because it's going to just make the video more longer, right? So moving away from Labubu, the next one on my list is Ice Network. So I love this project very well because this is a blockchain project, Ice Open Network, and also I am also investing in this project. So Ice Network is a good project. No need to talk more about it. If you have money, guys, just go ahead and invest in Ice Network, because if you look at Ice Network, although the fully diluted market cap is at 107, but the market cap itself is 33 million, which is very small. Now if let's look at the community. You can see the holders right here, over 300,000 people investing in this coin, although the top 10 holders are having 80% of it, which is very, very dicey. But then again, because it's a blockchain coin, I know that with a good marketing and everything done right, it's going to do well and you're going to cash out, especially if you invest in it right where it is right now, because where it is right now is very, very low. And if you look at this is a new project that was launched in 2024, so it has not been involved in any bull run before, so making it a very amazing project you can also invest in. Now away from Ice Network, the next one here is All Will Retire. So let's look at AWR, which is All Will Retire. So since the launch of this coin has not really done anything. It has not done any move. It has just been dancing around this level. And if you look at the market cap, just a mere 4 million. Moving from 4 million to 40 million alone is already 10x for you, right? And if you look at the total supply right here, it's just sitting around 1 billion. So this coin, All Will Retire, is a very good project that anyone can invest in. In fact, it has a very strong, active community. And if you see right here, you can see a lot of people actually identifying themselves with this coin, taking pictures and actually talking about the coin. What this coin actually means, the movement of this coin, this is actually a movement, a court coin and a movement coin, and it's actually signifying that if you are buying and holding this coin, you are going to retire, you're going to have a very good retirement, because that is the project, that is the aim, that is the vision. You can see this person saying, I will retire, we will retire, or we retire. All of them holding the same sign, Nigeria, all will retire. Are you for him? Okay, so that's a good one. So let's look at this one. You can see, I will retire, we will retire, all will retire. So And that's like, I think, I don't know whose flag is this. Is it Israel or what? Like, I don't know that flag. Here's another one. I will retire, we will retire, all will retire, right? So you can see a lot of people talking about this coin. Now let's go to their community on TikTok, sorry, on Twitter, so that we will see more about this. Now, if you look at Twitter right there, you can see this coin is followed by lots of good people. You can see this coin is followed by Superman, it's followed by Murad, and all of that. So these are good people that are following this project. That tells you a lot about this project, and you can see they have active community posted 3 hours ago. This is their will retire, the one that they posted. Okay, this one is Lamborghini and whatever. This one is another one. You can see a lot of posts being made about it. So this alone, with all of this I've shown you alone, you know that this is a movement going, and a lot of people are investing in. Guys, this one does not have a lot of investors. Now, without saying much about this, let me just go to the last one on my list, which is Dodge. So you can see here we have Dodge. You can see this is another one, but this is the one I'm actually talking about. That's the DJI 6930, right? So let me just open it up. Yeah, this is the one I'm talking about. So if I go back and click on this, you will see that the price will be different, right? So that's not the one I'm talking about. So this is the one I'm talking about. So this is another good project. You can see when this one launched, it ran all the way to this point. It's back down, and then we expect another good and strong move, better than what it has done before. So Doge is another very good coin you should be investing in if you want to make good profit from the crypto space in this season. All right, guys. So I have just listed 6 coins that you can buy right now and get good return in this hot season. If you have other coins that you want me to talk about or you want me to look at, you can just drop them in the comment section. And by the way, if you're not if these coins don't also suit well to you, you can just drop the reason for me why they're not suit well to you in the comment section. Let's interact in the comment section. But guys, believe me, these coins have the potential to make you massive profit in this crypto season. All right, with that much word from me, I'll be signing out from this point. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.